I wake up at 11 a.m. I have a job in San Francisco area and I live on the East Coast, so there's a 3 hour difference, so I'm really waking up at like 8. I either start the day off with some nice black coffee or a Red Bull, but definitely starting with some caffeine. I then start working. I generally have a couple free hours in the morning since my team is on the West Coast and they're kind of still waking up. So it's a nice period where I can just program and look at emails and catch up and stuff like that. For lunch, I'll either order in from a local business or I'll just make something quick. Today I decided to order in. Alright, it's around 3:30 p.m. Been sitting around for a long time, so gonna go for a walk. Let's go! So I had knee surgery a couple months ago, so I can really only walk on flat, level land. Going downhill is really challenging still. And going uphill is also pretty challenging. Wow, so pretty. I'm gonna challenge myself today. I'm actually gonna try to walk up this big hill. I've done it before with the knee injury and stuff, but it always sucks, so yep. Back to work. Now the bulk of the workday starts to come in. I'll have a couple meetings throughout the day, and it's just filled with meetings and programming pretty much, so yep. It's the end of the workday, around 8:30. Was a pretty freaking long day. It was pretty busy, but it is time to start working on my game, and before that I'm gonna work out and then eat a little dinner, probably just a protein shake, and then it's time for some battle rush game dev. Let's do it. It's already getting dark outside. Alright, it's around 9:30 p.m. It's getting fairly dark outside. The window's closed, but you can kind of see the light. And done working out, took a shower. Now it's time to cook some dinner, have a protein shake, and then start getting to game dev. Let's do this. When I say make dinner, it's something really simple like making grilled cheese or microwaving some food. So this is the game I've been working on, called Battle Rush. It's a working name, and it is a math game. At its core, it's a competitive online math game where you verse other people, and you have your little hero, and you can earn these items for different parts of your body. And if we go to, I'm just gonna go on relax mode, so this is actually just single player. Just to show you guys what it looks like. So I'm given this number, and I have to use these numbers to try to get to that number. So let me do that real quick, if I can. Yeah, so 17 minus 7, and then 10 minus 1. and then it goes on to the next problem. So if I'm versing someone online, it's like whoever solves the problem first, and then whoever gets to 10 first wins the game. And that's pretty much it at its core. You know, I have elo and stuff like that. And yeah, so I've been working on the game for the past couple days. It's actually getting to pretty close to what I want for the first version on the App Store. So it's time to get ready to start doing more marketing things, and I need to start working on the website, so I'm going to be doing that tonight. Alright, so I'm using React, and I use Create React app to just set up the project. So have it set up. If I just come in here and change this to hello world and hit save, it should just update. Yep, there it is. Alright, so we're all ready to start developing. Alright, I spent a couple hours working on the website. I think I'm a little brain dead right now, so I'm gonna play some games. Probably call it a night. It's 12:30 a.m. right now. I usually go to bed at 3. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to see the results of the website and the game, check out my Battle Rush devlog. It'll be, I guess there'll be a card right here. So, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Calm down. I want to kill.
Ugh. Oh. Come on. You can't even. Oh shit. No. Oh. What? Where? Oh. Oh no. Oh. Ending the night off with some video editing, and then I'll be going to bed. So, let's do it.